I know exactly where you are right now. You started with fire. You had the vision. You had the motivation. You told everyone, this time, it's going to be different. But now, the excitement is gone. The work is boring. The results aren't showing. And a little voice in the back of your head is whispering, just take a break. Maybe this isn't for you. You can try again tomorrow. And just like that, you quit. Again, most men die in this exact spot. They die in the valley of despair. They spend their entire lives starting 100 different projects, but finishing 0. You think you quit because it got too hard. You think you quit because you ran out of energy. You are wrong. You didn't quit because of pain. You quit because of psychology. Today, we are going to dissect exactly why your brain forces you to give up and how to rewire it to become unstoppable. Here is the first dark truth. Your brain does not want you to succeed. Your brain wants you to survive. Evolution designed your brain for one thing: conservation of energy. Thousands of years ago, burning unnecessary energy meant death. So, whenever you try to do something difficult, start a business, hit the gym, wake up earlier, brain sees it as a threat. It triggers a stop signal. It floods your body with cortisol stress and withdraws dopamine motivation. It's not that you are lazy. It's that your biological survival mechanism is working too well. The Navy SEALs have a concept called the 40% rule. They say that when your mind tells you that you are completely done, that you cannot take another step, you are actually only at 40% of your capacity. The other 60% is hidden behind a wall of pain. Most men hit that wall and turn around. The top 1% smash through it. The moment things get hard, the negotiation begins. This is the most dangerous conversation you will ever have. It happens in a split second. The alarm goes off at 5 a.m. The negotiation starts. It's cold outside. I need 1 more hour of sleep. I'll work twice as hard tomorrow. This voice sounds rational. It sounds logical. It sounds like it cares about you. Do not listen to it. The Stoics knew this. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The pain of doing the work is never as bad as the pain of quitting. The moment you start negotiating with yourself, you have already lost. Discipline is not about winning the argument. Discipline is about ignoring the conversation entirely. Why is it so hard to build a business, but so easy to play video games for 6 hours? The answer is feedback loops. In a video game, you kill a monster. You get gold. Instant reward. Dopamine hit. In real life, you go to the gym for a week, and you look exactly the same in the mirror. No reward, no dopamine. Your brain is addicted to cheap wins. When the real world doesn't give you instant applause, your brain panics. It screams, "This isn't working. Let's go do something fun." This is why you quit. You are addicted to the result, not the process. You need to retrain your brain to love the boredom, to love the silence, to love the grind when nobody is clapping. There is a psychological concept called identity lag. You quit because deep down you still see yourself as a loser. You might be trying to run a marathon, but your internal identity is still the lazy guy on the couch. So when the pain hits at mile 10, your old identity takes over. It says, "Who are you kidding? We don't do this," we quit, and you obey. Because humans always act consistent with who they believe they are. To stop quitting, you must kill your old self. You don't try to go to the gym. You tell yourself, "I am an athlete." You don't try to save money. You tell yourself, "I am an investor." Change your identity, and the actions will follow. Every great endeavor has a shape. Seth Godin calls it the dip. The start is fun, the middle is hell, the dip. The end is glory. You are quitting in the dip. But listen to me, the dip is the reason success has value. If it were easy, everyone would do it. If everyone did it, it would be worthless. The pain you feel right now, that is the barrier that keeps the average people out. That pain is not a stop sign. It is a filter. It is filtering out the weak, the lazy, and the uncommitted. So when it gets hard, you should smile, because it means your competition is dropping out. The next time you feel that urge to quit, the next time your brain begs you for comfort, don't negotiate, don't rationalize, just take one more step, and then another. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. Stay in the fight.